How to fix EA app not opening. Hello and welcome everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your EA application is not working, there might be because of a bug or a glitch issue. In order to solve it, tap Open your phone settings. Scroll down until you see the option of Apps. Head over to All Apps. Tap on the search icon to search for EA. Then in here, firstly, you need to tap on the Force Stop button. Head over to Storage and Cache and tap on Clear Cache. After which, the issue because of the bug or a glitch issue must be solved. If this does not work, head back to the main option page of your phone settings. Navigate to System Update. Make sure your system is up to date so that it can support the latest version of the application. If none of this actually works, tap Open your Play Store or App Store. In the search bar, search for EA. In here, you need to ensure that there is no any available update. If there is any, just leave your application for an update. Or the last resort is to uninstall the application and reinstall it later. And just like that, you'll be able to fix your application not opening. And just like that, you have made it to the end of the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.